Turkey has recently been hit by a severe snowstorm, causing significant disruption across the country. Istanbul, the country's largest city, experienced its first snowstorm of the winter, leading to the temporary closure of Istanbul Airport. The blizzard was so strong that it left up to 65 centimeters of snow in some places. Video footage showed roads and vehicles covered in snow. The extreme weather conditions have caused widespread transport problems across the country. Thousands of passengers and vehicles were left stranded due to the heavy snowfall. The snowstorm has not only affected Istanbul, but also other parts of the country. Routes from northwestern Turkey to Istanbul have been closed until further notice. More than 7,000 people were stranded across the country, and over 10,000 were taken to shelters in 7 provinces. Rescue workers, including the army, worked through the night to help thousands of people trapped in their cars on a motorway in the Greek capital after a snowstorm swept across the country on Monday. In response to this crisis, emergency teams have been working tirelessly to deliver thousands of containers of food and drinks to those affected. In addition to the human population, the municipality has also been taking care of the city's stray animals. Every day, more than 2.5 tons of food are being distributed to these animals. The southeast of the country was also affected, with 250 people stranded on a snow-hit motorway in Diyarbakir province. Most schools across the country were already closed for a 2-week semester break. The recent snowfall has also affected parts of Greece, causing similar disruptions. The snowstorm started late on recent and left elevated parts of Turkey's biggest city, with up to 41 centimeters of snow. The airport had to be closed for an hour due to the heavy snowfall. Government spokesman Giannis Okonomo said about 1,200 vehicles were stranded on Atiki Odos, the capital's main ring road. As the snow continues to fall, the people of Turkey are pulling together to support each other through this challenging time.